Ready to unlock your front door's potential? Say goodbye to traditional doorbells. Introducing 3 contenders in the smart doorbell arena. First, the budget-friendly Wyze Video Doorbell. It's got 1080p HD video, but does it pack enough punch? Next, the Nest Hello, stylish, but is that premium price worth it? Some say it's overrated. And finally, the star of the show, Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Stunning head-to-toe HD video and Alexa integration. Is it any wonder it's our top pick? It combines affordability and advanced features, putting it ahead of the pack. Will you settle for less? Choose the best for your home. Click to discover which doorbell can revolutionize your security.